Hello, and welcome to the Fastex Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of buying crypto using your card on Fastex Exchange. Go to the deposit section on the home page. Select Buy Crypto with Card. On the new page, you'll see two options, buy and sell. This means you can also sell your crypto and withdraw the funds to your card from this page. Choose the currency you want to pay with. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. Below, you'll see the exact amount of crypto you'll receive. Choose one of the available payment methods for your region. Payment methods may vary based on your region and selected currency. Click the Buy button. On the next page, enter your payment method details. Click Continue, mark the confirmation box, and confirm your payment. You will be redirected to the payment system page to complete the transaction. Follow the instructions provided by the payment system to finalize your purchase. Once the transaction is successfully completed, your funds will be credited to your Fastex account. If you have any questions, our live support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Subscribe to this channel to stay updated on all things Fastex Exchange. Thanks for watching.